Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Today, we are going to continue with the explanation of the skeletal system of humans. Yesterday, we have done the parts of the skeletal system: the skull, backbone, rib cage, and limbs. Now, we will take up one by one each part. First, today, we will learn about the skull. Okay, so let's see. You can see skull is made up of 22 bones. Total, there are 22 bones in skull. Now, upper part of the skull is made up of 8 flat bones. Now, you can see these bones which are separated in this slide. You can see they are separating. These are the flat bones and there is no movable joint. They are immovable joints and they cannot move. They are just joined with each other and these are flat bones. And there are 14 bones in the face. All these bones in front are total 14 in number. Upper portion 8 bones and in the front and all these bones are total 14. So total 22. 14 plus 8, 22 bones in the skull. This is the whole skull. Only the bones in the lower jaw are movable, which help us in eating and speaking. Now you can see in whole skull, only the lower jaw is movable. Other all bones are fixed. They cannot move. You can see all these bones are fixed. They cannot move. Only this lower jaw is movable. In this slide, you can see this lower jaw, how this is moving. This is the way we speak and eat or chew the food. So you can see how the lower jaw is moving and the upper jaw is fixed at one place. Upper jaw is not moving at all. Upper and lower jaw have teeth for cutting and chewing, and the lower jaw is the only portion in our skull that is movable and which helps us in eating and speaking and chewing our food. I hope you have understood the skull portion. Total 22 bones, 8 flat bones in the upper part of the skull and 14 bones in the face, and only the lower jaw is movable. So let's read what is given in your book. The skull. The skull is located in the head. It is made up of 22 bones. The skull bones are the hardest of all bones in the human body. You know, skull has to protect our brain, so it should be very strong. So these are the hardest of all the bones in the human body. The upper part of the skull is made up of 8 flat bones interlocked together. They cannot move, they are fixed. This dome-shaped upper part of the skull is called brain box. So all these is the 8 flat bones, they are forming the brain box. It protects our delicate brain. There are 14 bones in the face. All the bones in the skull are fixed. Only the bones in the lower jaw are movable. We can eat and speak because of the movable lower jaw. The upper and lower jaws have teeth which help us in cutting and chewing the food. So I hope you have understood. Please children learn how many bones are there. This is important. And how the lower jaw is only the movable part in the skull. Please remember these two main points in the skull. Now next time we will do the spine and we will read in detail about it. Okay, so thank you till then. Have a nice day.